What is good, everybody? It's your boy Jay, and I am back with another recipe for you all. I am gonna show you how to make a delicious and easy shrimp boil. When I tell you the flavors right here are out of this world, I mean it, and I can't wait for you to try it on your own because I know you're gonna love it. I know your family's gonna love it. Everyone's gonna enjoy this dish right here. All right, so let's get right on into it and let's get started. To begin, I got a pot of boiling hot water going. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of salt in there, and we are gonna drop in our corn as well as our baby potatoes. You wanna let those go until they are fork tender. Moving on, we are gonna drizzle a little bit of oil in our pan here, and we are dropping in some chopped up onions as well as some minced garlic. Go ahead and give that a mix, and to that we are gonna add in some andouille sausage. This is so good right here. This is some smoked andouille sausage. I got this from my local grocery store and it is amazing. You wanna let this go for a couple minutes. Stir it here and there, and to that we are gonna add in 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Make sure you put unsalted, because if you put regular salted butter, this whole thing is just gonna end up way too salty. After that, we are dropping in a little bit of chicken stock, some hot sauce, and then the juice of 1 lemon. After we have that taken care of, we are then gonna introduce our dry seasoning blend, which consists of Old Bay. We have some cayenne pepper, we have some paprika, as well as some ground black pepper. All the measurements will pop up right on the screen, and they will be listed down in the description box as well. Go ahead and give that a mix and let it simmer for a little while. Here I have about 1.5 pounds of some deveined shrimp with the shell on. We're gonna go ahead and drop that in and get them incorporated, get them talking to all these flavors right here. All right, give it a stir, and you're gonna also let this simmer for a little while, not too long. Shrimp cooks fairly quickly. It depends on the size of your shrimp, you know what I mean, but make sure you don't overcook your shrimp because they will be oh so rubbery and oh so unpleasant. All right, after our shrimp is just about done, we are gonna reintroduce the potatoes as well as the corn to the party. Yes, my pan is pretty much jam-packed, but I'm gonna try to do my best to not make a big mess and stir them in and get them incorporated as well. And this right here is pretty much the end result. Simple, easy, delicious shrimp boil. Took no time, took no effort, but it's jam-packed with flavor and absolutely hands down amazing. I'm trying to inform you. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Like I said before, can't wait for you guys to try this one. I'm trying to let you know this is pressure, okay? So I'll see you on the next video, guys. Deuces.